The 2013 Paceman. The Mini Paceman contains the sportiness of a two-door Mini, but with the convenience of the added room. The Paceman is fuel efficient, but still offers the enjoyable driving experience. The Mini Paceman also provides an interior with a premium feel and an exterior that's sure to stand out in a crowd. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, passenger airbag, front wheel drive, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, fog lamps, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.